speed demand. Speed demand. Okay. Because of Staller, let me give an example. There is an employee is there, friends. He's doing the, there is a person in there who is doing the business. Wonderful business. He got a mail. He has to reply to that mail. Later, I will reply to that mail. He didn't reply for 1 month. Because of that, how much loss for this person? Just he is not required to do anything. Open the mail. Just say, yes, we are ready to do that. We are interested on this. Submit. Matter of 1 minute thing. Later tomorrow we will take. Day after tomorrow we will take. Next week we will take like a 1 month completed. After 1 month he realized that the delay in responding that mail cost is he missed. His company will become 3x. 3x growth that person missed because of that delay. Remember, the Staller is how much powerful. This example itself is enough. Are you in the position to understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Is this enemy? Is this professional killer is there inside your body?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ayo. Not there? There, man. There.
Yes.
In your body only this killer is there. Enemy. Your enemy is there inside your body only. Okay? The second one. I recruited. Assume that there is a person who recruited. I recruited. So, my brother-in-law in my officer-related activities. Haribari. So, he left. Immediately I recruited my friend. After a few days, he left. Have you observed, right? I'm not thinking before taking any decision. With the speed, with hurry-burry, with the speed, I'm taking the decisions. Later, I'm going to feel that, array, unnecessary. I took this wrong decision. Like, you people are going to feel like anything. This type of thing is by default considered the speed demand. So, instant decisions the people are going to take instant decisions. Can you please think a bit? Can you please think a bit? What are the what things are going to be happen because of this decision? I don't know, man. I took the decision. That's it. Later, the hands are going to burn. Then this person is going to feel, hurry. I took the decision. Unnecessary. Now I'm facing very severe problem that the decision might not have been taken. Then my life will be in some other way. Like, have you ever faced this type of situation? Is this demand is there in your body? Ayo, respond, friends. Without thinking, blindly taking the decisions, later, you are always going to feel bad. You are feeling guilty because of your decisions. This is called the speed demand.